it's a very small hill or a very large Range Rover. Clap, clap. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. The Bible tells me so. Loves me. Dance, baby, dance. Wash away my sins. Let His little child come me. Rejoice, rejoice, and again I say rejoice. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, everybody sing this song. Rejoice. Come on, Sasa, clap your hands and stomp your feet. Come on, come on. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Everybody sing this song. Rejoice, rejoice, and again I say rejoice. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Everybody sing this song. Rejoice, rejoice. Red, stomp your feet. Everybody sing this song with me. Rejoice, rejoice. Sing again, I say rejoice. Yeah. Come on. Rejoice. 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 Hi neighbors, what's up? How you doing? So glad to see you again. Hola, buenos dias, buen dia. All the greetings in all languages. What's up? As you can see, a while ago I had devotions, and the last time I had devotions, Eden and Ava were just able to sit in their chairs and rock and get to clap and so. But now, I mean, time flying, and they're up and about, rejoicing and clapping and dancing with everybody. So beautiful to see how they're growing nicely, and just thank God for that. Hope your day has been going great so far. Greetings from me and my house, and we're going to see how this day unfolds. Alright, so they're going back to bed, and trust me, the little devotion thing, it made me start sweat. So it really take a little out of you, but for them, they got up about 4:30ish, yeah, when Hannah was getting ready to go to school. So they're pretty beat, and it's just like 8 o'clock now. Leila and Zahra are here. Say good morning.
Good
Say good morning, neighbors.
Good morning.
What do you have for breakfast?
I have some bread and cream and some butter and
What you just had a
some
while ago?
tea.
Tea? What kind of tea?
Milo.
Milo, okay. High five. Alright. How are you doing, Salsa? You doing good?
Mm-hmm.
Give me a thumbs up. Alright. Tell the neighbors good morning.
Good morning.
And I'm walking back into the kitchen to see what is cooking up in here. And Mr. Reed is cooking up.
We're cooking up some beans.
Say good morning.
Oh, my manners. Good morning. Good morning, neighbors.
Why so like Amber Heard? Do you remember Amber Heard? So this is what is cooking. A nice shot of our, is it cinematography, guys?
No, but just you have to use one direction, so just keep going forward.
I feel I get burned.
Just go with one direction forward. Just slowly pan. No. Just out in the same direction that you.
If I continue going from
Out the same direction. Youth. Cinematography. In. And out. Boom.
I'm vlogging with one hand. I'm holding the camera with one hand. She was holding with two. So if I would continue going forward, my little married finger on the right hand would have been burnt on the pot. Can I afford that? Not really. Because I need my right hand. Right, Mrs. Reed?
It's not your married finger on your right hand, bigot.
What the finger called?
I don't know. Middle finger.
It's not my middle finger.
Ring finger.
Married finger, ring finger. Okay. What's the plan for today?
Well, I have a meeting at 10:30. I have a meeting at 1 o'clock. And we have a piece of beef that needs to season up. And I don't know. It's up to you what we can do today apart from when work done. Can we do something, please? When you're home for too long, you see, it starts to get to the
mind?
Yes, you feel a little cabin fever. That's what them call it.
Ah.
When you're enclosed too much, you just need to get your brain need more physical space.
We're going to start. I always walk, you know. So you want to go for a walk to start? You see what I mean? You know much time.
No, it's so. Listen, when it's not the sun, it's the mosquitoes.
And I'm telling you, I walk with the children. We know how to.
All right, I will.
It's been very windy.
I'll walk with you guys this evening. Well, I've plenty hills, so that's my hesitation right there. The inclines, steep inclines.
Walking always helps me clear my mind.
Yeah, I could do with a walk today.
And I buy 2 chocolate and thing. If I bring it home, I bring it home. But you know how we roll. You see it?
Yeah, that's how you roll for true. I will get my chocolate, but
yeah,
you know, very often whatever is to be eaten is eaten. Anyway, it would be nice to schedule a beach trip for the children.
We'll do that today as well.
What?
Schedule it. We'll schedule the beach trip.
Okay.
I don't know what you were thinking right there.
Wow,
you're getting excited.
No,
that would have been too tricky in terms of timing. Yeah. But definitely, summer is almost here. She thinks summer is here. Someone reaches.
Summer reaches in terms of heat. Him still thinks that we're in spring. I don't know.
The summer solstice is June 21. I learned in geography. Big up Mr. Facey and the whole Mayor and geography team, Mrs. Davis. But, so someone not reach here yet.
Well, let me be more specific. The heat is here.
Okay.
The heat is here.
The heat is here.
The heat is here.
All right.
The heat is on. The heat is on, yeah.
So this is the assignment today, art class, to draw this house. Let's see how this is.
Yes, make the
Aiden is up, eating her cereal. Ava is up, eating her cereal.
Sometimes.
But here are the artists.
Wow, look at the cat on the roof.
What is your name?
Leila drawing a cat on her roof.
Yes.
All right.
Zaza.
All right.
Zaza, what do we have here? What is this? Explain what's going on here, baby. Where's your house? Oh, I see the house. It's the house right here.
Yes.
Right? Nice. And this is, what is this? Sun. Very good. Okay, where's it? This is what you drew, Leila?
Yes, and the cat.
Leila,
No, not that one.
she never draw this. You do this.
That's grandma.
Grandma this. Okay. Where?
Grandma better than you, man.
No, man, I can do something. I'll show you my style after. Leila, what this is what you draw? Where's the house?
It's a leaning house.
It's a house of pizza.
No, that is the
Okay.
But do you notice the cat?
Oh, there's a cat climbing.
Yes.
Oh, okay. You see this cat climbing the roof? It's a skilled cat.
Cat on the hot tea.
What is this black one? What is this black thing?
She was drawing this one.
This is the sun. It's a black hole sun.
It needs a color.
Okay. Good job. Continue, okay? Alright, Zaza?
So are you putting in the flowers now and the grass?
Put in the grass and the flowers.
So fast forward to the end of the day. And it turned out to be a very stressful day actually. The day was calm like this in the morning and it went like with intensity from like midday. Serious. See this one behind me right here? She's calling on the phone trying to organize some meetings that posing some logistical problems. So the whole beach planning I forgot happen later and all them things about.
I forgot happen like a week from now or
Yeah.
2 weeks from now.
Yeah, but we made it through the day. so far. I'm still going to have to, you know, finish strong. Dinner is what, burger?
Burger and fries.
Today we're going to have burger and wedges. Not fries, wedges. And hopefully that kind of make you feel a little better. Alright?
It would be better if there's chocolate or ice cream. Chocolate or ice cream will make things a whole lot better.
Alright, I'll see if I can get chocolate or ice
This
cream.
is Zaza's. What's this?
What's this? A gift basket? To make us feel better? What is it?
It's baby sisters.
Are you giving it to baby sisters?
Oh,
Okay, so they can play with it. Nice.
yeah,
And
that's
baby
a nice
sisters,
little package for baby sisters.
how are you doing? You're okay?
Eating crayon.
Eating crayon, my gosh. And how are you? The simple days. Enjoy these days, you know. Life will get complicated when you grow up. So, Mrs. Reed?
Mr. Reed.
Ah. Don't worry, this too shall pass. And you look next week and you'll be like, wow, I made it.
Yeah, I want to be at Friday next week when my
everything is
meetings
over.
are over. And they've been a success. I
It's
just
not even Friday this weekend. Yeah. But you'll make it, you'll be fine.
with the Lord's help. Yes, and the Lord's favor. Praying for the Lord's favor right now because that's what I need.
You know, just share it to the neighborhood. Give the encouragement for the day.
You know what, neighborhood? Sometimes, you know, you may come across hiccups, problems. You can have the best made plans, and you find that no matter how well you have planned, there is still so much that is outside of your control. There is still so much that seems to be going wrong. What is that law? You know, if something can go wrong, it will. What is that? Is that Murphy?
Murphy's Law, yep.
Yeah. So if you're having one of those days, it's time to just give up control to the Lord. You cannot control the outcome of every situation, and sometimes it requires divine wisdom. Sometimes it requires divine intervention to make things fall in place, and sometimes there are the odd occasions when it requires you to stop what you're doing, to reconsider how you have made your plans, and to go back to the drawing board. And if that's what it takes, that's what it takes. But trust the Lord. Trust the Lord that He knows what's best. And no matter how much we think we know about all that we think we know, we don't know everything. That's a word for somebody today.
Okay.
Certainly a word for me. It surely is a word for moi.
Okay.
Yeah, because no matter how great a plan you have laid out on paper, when things start to be thrown at it and it starts to come awry, we trust God.
Yeah. Alright, you have to trust God for this, because here's what I'm going to do now. So because the day was like this, I'm going to do my own little form of de-stressing. It will be a production to set up the swimming, the splashing pool and all that, so not for today. But you saw the little ones drawing the house and so earlier. I'm going to do my version because I'm a very good drawer of houses. Listen, if it's one thing I can draw, is house and mountains and you know that, and the road. I'm going to do it, and you're going to see it. Grade it out of 10. Tina is not allowed because she's a big artist, but I'm going to show you my version of what I normally do at school. This is like my top. This is like a day at the beach. You know that composition. Every time you come from summer holidays, your teacher asks to write a day at the beach. This is my rendition. So first things first is the horizon line. I'm drawing this one-handed, so stay with me. Draw a horizon line. Alright? Then you're going to need a couple mountains. So if I'm going too fast, let me know. Alright? these are your mountain ranges. Sun coming over the horizon. You're going to need a car. Then need a road, right? You achieve this by doing like a V thing. And they have to get progressively smaller, right? For perspective sake, right here. Our tree. And there you have it. Me and my house. So honest reactions only to my nice painting, my nice drawing.
Oh gosh, it's very, it's
Artistic.
It's
Something, right?
it's something. It is something. So we have the sun rising over the top of, or setting over the top of this hill, and this very
Range Rover looking
Range
vehicle.
Rover looking vehicle heading, you know, it's a very small hill or a very large Range Rover.
Not trying to scale.
And I'm assuming that this road goes somewhere behind this hill over here.
Goes through the hill.
It goes
It's a tunnel right there. It's a tunnel going through the hill.
I see. Okay, all right. And there's it's supposed to be a deserted landscape that is only has one tree. What do you think of that is drawing?
We all live in this house, do you know? It's our house right here.
With one dege window.
One window, one door.
All right. Well, you know something. If we have to share one room, I wouldn't.
Oh God, you would share with
I
anybody
wouldn't share
else.
with anybody else, but this bunch of 7.
Right.
So if we
yeah,
all have to catch up
there's
in one room, we
only
catch up in
thing
one room and
missing-
be happy.
I could do some birds and the clouds. I say I didn't want to give
So
away too much.
okay, so the family is inside the house.
Currently, yes.
Well, with just one tree and that large sun, it must be very hot. We
And the
have
thing
to
is,
stay
and
inside.
it's a main road, so the kids can't really play outside.
Right.
Yeah, so it's tricky. But development is coming closer to the neighborhood. So.
Right. Fun. It's good stuff. It's
Yeah.
good stuff. It's a good impression.
Yeah.
Impression.
Eating?
You hungry? Want some dinner?
Want dinner?
Let's go eat some dinner.
So neighbors, we're going to call it a day right here. We're going to get dinner started. Our burgers and fries and wedges, and see if we can hold a vibe and just kind of ease into the night. Because it was kind of a rough day. I hope your day was better. I hope you'll find the strength to finish the week strong. Alright, so until next time, big up from Paul and everybody in this house. Take care. Bye.